Hello and welcome to our YouTube video on primary partitions. In this video, we will explore the concept of primary partitions and their importance in computer systems. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about computer storage, this video will provide you with a clear understanding of what primary partitions are and how they function. So let's get started! First of all, primary partitions are the most important partitions on a disk. They can be used to store the operating system, applications, and data. A disk can have up to 4 primary partitions. Primary partitions can be boot partitions, which means that the computer can start up from them. To make a primary partition a boot partition, you need to install the operating system on it. Here are some of the benefits of using primary partitions. First, they are more reliable than logical partitions. Second, they are easier to manage and troubleshoot. And finally, they can be used to boot the computer. However, there are also some drawbacks to using primary partitions. You can only have 4 primary partitions on a disk. Also, primary partitions can be corrupted if a power outage or other disruption occurs while the computer is writing to them. Overall, primary partitions are a good choice for storing the operating system and other important files. However, it is important to back up your data regularly, regardless of the type of partition you are using. We have 2 primary partitions in our computer, one for the operating system and one for private data. Now, when you're formatting a part, you are erasing all the data on that part. However, the data on other part is not affected. Your data on the second partition will stay the same when you format and reinstall the operating system on the first partition. This is because the second part is separate from the first partition and is not affected by formatting the first partition. It's always a good idea to back up your data before you make any changes to your computer. This is because there is always the possibility of data loss, even when you are taking precautions. Here are some tips for backing up your data. It's very important to back up your data regularly. This means backing up your data on a regular basis, such as once a day or once a week. Also, back up your data to multiple locations. This means backing up your data to multiple locations, such as an external hard drive, a cloud storage service, and DVD or Blu-ray disc, USB. Lastly, test your backups regularly. This means testing your backups regularly to make sure that they are working properly and that you can restore your data from them if needed. That's all for today. If you are interested in coding and technology, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more video. And follow me on Instagram for more tips, the link in bio. See you in next video.